Hello everyone, I'm Nick from Tirapid. Today, I'd like to address a common question from our clients. Does stainless steel really not rust? I can responsibly tell you that stainless steel indeed has a strong corrosion resistance, but it is not absolutely rust-proof.
The core anti-rust principle of stainless steel lies in its very thin chromium oxide layer on the surface. As long as the chromium content in the steel is above 10.5%, it can automatically form this protective film in the air, isolating the internal iron elements from moisture and oxygen. This is the key to the corrosion resistance of stainless steel. However, this protective layer is not indestructible. If you use stainless steel in environments with high chlorine, high humidity, or high salt, such as near the sea or swimming pools, or if the surface gets scratched, contaminated with oil, or iron fillings are not cleaned properly, it can still rust. We once had a client's project where stainless steel structures were used outdoors without protection, and after 3 months, localized red rust appeared. The analysis showed that the long-term humid environment combined with dust accumulation had damaged the protective film. The type of stainless steel also affects its corrosion resistance. For example, 304 stainless steel is most common domestic grade, has a chromium content of 16 to 18%, and resists general acid and bases. Meanwhile, 316 stainless steel, which includes molybdenum, is especially for chloride environments, and is more extensively used in the chemical, medical, and the maritime industries. If you are concerned about rust, I recommend opting for 316. Of course, correct design, processing, and maintenance are also crucial. For example, avoid water accumulation in dead angles by designing drainage holes. Avoid cross-contamination with carbon steel during processing, and regularly clean with warm water and a neutral detergent. If rust spots are already found, you can generally treat them with stainless steel specific rust remover, 3M polishing cloth, or a home remedy of white vinegar and baking soda.
In summary, stainless steel doesn't not rust, but it is less likely to rust. With the right materials, proper craftsmanship, and suitable usage environments, it remains a durable, beautiful, and low-maintenance ideal material. Thanks for listening. I'm Nick. Follow Tirapid for more professional insights to protect your quality. And we will see you in the next video.